I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, ratio and proportion. Suppose in a class there are 15 boys and 20 girls. We say that the ratio of boys to girls is 15 to 20. We write it symbolically as 15:20. The symbol, this symbol stands for is 2. So we write number of boys upon number of girls. So 3/4 we get. Now let us consider another example. Suppose two brothers, Arun and Amar, earn rupees 6,000 and 7,000 respectively as monthly salary. So Arun's monthly salary is 6,000, Amar's monthly salary is 9,000. So we'll get 2/3. So we say that ratio of Arun and Amar's salary is 2:3. 2/3 is 2:3. Okay. Thus we can say that a ratio is the comparison of two quantities of same kind with same units by means of fraction in the lowest terms. Note, fraction is not a ratio. Fraction is a part of number, whereas ratio has different parts. In the ratio of two quantities, the first one is called antecedent and the second one is called consequent. Okay, for example, in the ratio 2:3, 2 is what? This is called antecedent, okay, and 3 is called consequent, okay. Remember that in the ratio, the order of quantities is important. For example, 2:3 is not equals to 3:2, okay. We have learned that 8/16 is equals to 4/8 is equals to 2/4 is equals to 1/2. These are the equivalent fractions. So ratio 8:16, 4:8, 2:4 and 1:2 are called equivalent ratios. In case of ratios, we know that number one, we can have the ratios of two quantities in the same units. For example, there is no ratio between liters and kilograms. Number two, ratio doesn't have any unit of measurement. And number three, a ratio of two quantities can be expressed in the simplest form by dividing the terms of the ratio by HCF of the terms. Okay. Now let us consider some examples. Example 1. Find the ratio between rupees 3,500 and rupees 10,500. Okay. So 3,500 upon 10,500. First we will cancel out 0. Okay. Now 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, 1. 7/21. Again we can cancel it also. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 1/3 or 1:3. This is the ratio. Okay. Now example 3. Divide 84 in the ratio of 7:5. Okay. So first what will we do? We will find the sum of a ratio. Sum of ratio is 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay. So first part is what? 7 out of 12 into 84. 12 sevens are 84, so this is 49. Second part is what? Second part is 5 out of 12 into 84. 12 sevens are 84. 7 fives are 35. Okay. So the first part is 49 and second part is 35, right? Let's do exercise 13.1. Express each of the following ratio as a fraction. 11:19. 11/19. Okay. Proportion. Let us consider two equivalent ratios. 5/10 is equals to 1/2 or 2/4 is equals to 1/2. The above are statements of equality of two ratios. A proportion is a statement of the equality of two ratios. We write the above statement as 5:10, 1:2, okay, and 2:4 and 1:2. Okay. Now this symbol, we read it as what? Stands for is to as, means 5:10 is to as 1:2. Okay. So we can say that 5, 10, 1 and 2 are in proportion, or 2, 4, 1 and 2 are in proportion. Clearly a proportion has 4 terms. The first and last terms, these terms are known as extremes. Okay. And the second and third term, these terms are known as means. Okay, so in a proportion we always have product of extremes is equals to product of means. So in the above example we have 5 into 2 is equals to 10 into 1. Okay. Now example, find the missing term in 2 is to 5 is to as 10 is to dash. We don't know what the next term is. So let this term be x. Okay. 2 is to 5 is to as 10 is to x. Okay. These are the extremes and these terms are what? Your means. So product of extremes is equals to product of means, right? Extremes 2 into x, mean 5 into 10. So x we will write here 5 into 10 and then 2 we will bring here. 2 5s are 10. So x is equals to 5 into 5, that is 25. So this missing term is nothing but 25. Okay. Exercise 13.2. Find the missing term. 3 is to 7 is to as dash is to 21. Okay. So first we will write the product of extremes 3 into 21. Product of means 7 into x. 3 into 21 upon 7 is equals to x. 7 3s are 21. 3 3s are 9. So the missing term is 9 here. Okay students, now you will do the practice of the remaining exercise.